Hi parents and 8th graders. I wanted to touch base with you as we start marking period 4 on Monday, April 20th. This video will give you information on how you can view you or your child's scores for the week and also individual assignments. It will also relay information on how to do coursework and get help if needed. So let's get started. Our Schoology platform will be the main and only source for viewing scores right now. A satisfactory or unsatisfactory mark will be given each week based upon a minimum of 85% quality work being completed. If you parents do not have access to your child's Schoology account, please contact the school for the parent access code information, or you can just have your child show you their Schoology account. Most teachers will be giving a badge each week for their course if a learner earns a satisfactory mark for the week. I will also be doing that, and an example of this past week's badge is shown here. However, with so many badges being awarded, it may not always be easy for you to check you or your child's weekly accomplishments. So I'm also going to show you how you can view both individual and weekly summary scores in Schoology. To view scores in math, go to our math course in Schoology. Then select Grades on the left side as shown here. You only want to view marking period 4. Just below marking period 4, you will see satisfactory, unsatisfactory by week. This category gives you a weekly summary score of an S or a U, and S is what earns you a badge. If you look below that into each specific week, you will see each individual assignment and the score earned. Let's look at an example from this past week to see how scores can be viewed. You can look at your learner's marks from this past week also, which is a marking period 3, FYI. The satisfactory, unsatisfactory category by week gives you the overall weekly score. This is the most important item for you to view each week. So you can see this learner earned an S or satisfactory. Next, by selecting last week's assignments, the April 13th to 17th, you can see all the individual activities and their marks. An S indicates the assignment was completed well. A dash or a U indicates it was not. The box indicates a comment was given on the assignment. Learners have 1 week to make up work or try to improve their score from a previous week. If a learner is sick or having trouble completing work, please message me in Schoology or send an email and we can make a plan. Assignments should be completed in the order given for the week. You may work at your own pace, but you should be averaging 30 to 40 minutes per day for math. Assignments for the week should be completed no later than the Sunday at 5 after they are posted. Aim to have them finished by Friday. New weekly assignments will be posted by Monday morning at 8 a.m. I usually post them Sunday evening. 8th grade math teacher Zoom office hours are every Monday from 2 to 4. The link is provided at the top of our Schoology page. In addition, I will be offering Zoom office hours this week on Wednesday and Friday from 11 to 12 for anyone who needs help on daily assignments. The link for these sessions will also be provided on Schoology. Please message me if you need help and cannot make it to any of these times. We can make alternate arrangements. As always, please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a great week.